Hey everybody, it's Miss Worley here, and I have another book to read to you today. The title of this book is The Flea's Sneeze, and it's written by Lynn, Downey, and the illustrator is Carla Firehammer. So it's a really good book with lots of fun rhyming words in it. And cute animals. You will love it. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog, everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Can you see the flea? It's really tiny. See if you can see where it is. No one heard him cough. There he is. Oh, he was on top of the mouse, or the rat. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog, they all slept peacefully, but not the flea. This reminds me of that other book we read about animals sleeping. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Uh-oh. What do you think's going to happen? He's starting to sniffle. The rest of them are sleeping. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Oh, he must have a cold. It's making him talk funny. Poor guy. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. What do we think is going to happen? See if you can guess. Here it comes. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! He sneezed. I think we saw that coming. It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. Maroo? Boo-hoo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. Aren't these good illustrations? She did a really good job. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly handed him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose before his eyes, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. And doze is a special, like a synonym for the word sleep. It's just a fancy word for sleep. Aw. For the rest of that dark, dark night on an old, old farm in the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. I wonder why. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no, now he's gonna sneeze. He probably caught the cold that this flea did. Well, that was fun. So tell me what your favorite part was, or tell me some of the rhyming words that you heard, or anything you want to share about. I'd love to hear. Hope you're having a good day. Bye.